bunnies! Welcome to Mandarin Ducky's Creative Corner and thank you for joining me today. Autumn is outside and first yellow leaves are already appearing on the trees and I'm really inspired. Autumn is one of my favorite seasons and today we're going to talk about a filigree tutorial which I've seen on pcPolyzine website. It's called Rainbow Filigree and it's designed by Mia Rox. I really loved it. It looks gorgeous, really beautiful, and you definitely should try it. But there is one thing. I thought that rainbow colors are a little bit too colorful, and in autumn we are trying to use some more earthy colors, some calmer colors with addition of few bright spots like yellow scarf, for example. So I decided to create a scarf brooch and a ring because I love rings and they're nice and easy to do. So let's not waste our time and let us start. We will need 3 blocks of clay in warm autumn colors. I use Fimo here. Definitely use brown and gold and choose one of subtle red colors. From tools, we'll need knife, roller and extruder, and I personally work on white ceramic tile for this tutorial. For the ring and brooch we're going to use these settings. And we will also need circle-shaped cutter and 2 tablespoons. I would suggest to get yourself a special spoon or few for working with clay. And make sure you don't use them for eating after. These are your clay tools. So we start with conditioning a piece of brown clay for the base of our ring and brooch. If you get some air bubbles in your clay, pierce them slightly with your knife to release air. When you work with sharp tools, please be careful. I don't want you to cut yourself. Now here is my extruder and I will need to unscrew the bottom cap and I will load some clay in it, all 3 colors, one by one. Try to experiment with color combinations. Here is the picture that explains how by mixing colors you can get different gradients. See how zones A and C are the same and B and D are so different. So for the first portion of extruded clay I'm using brown, then gold, then red. So here I am turning extruder's handle and clay starts to appear like a fresh grass in spring. And this is a gradient we are going to get from our color combination. Now we will need to separate each clay strand and select only the best ones with full color range. So now when the strands are ready we can attach our circle bases to the spoon. I will stick 1 circle to the outside part of the spoon and 1 inside. I want to experiment with convex and concave reliefs. When that's done, start curling your strands. It's easier to start doing it in your hands and then continue on your working surface. Try different color variations. Start from one end of the strand and then from the opposite one. I created 5 coils in different colors and size variations. So here I attached 2 of them and then I started to play with the strand by wrapping it around, and you can cut the excess of that strand with a knife. Mia suggests to decorate each second strand with little spaced indentations. It gives it even more texture. Continue adding coils and strands until the base is covered. So now it's done and here you can see that I actually covered my concave circle with different types of gradient. Look how different they are. From my strand leftovers I will create a braid. Gently wrap it around your circles to create that finished look. Cut it at an angle, it will help to hide seams. Now it's time to bake. I will place my spoons on baking tray, and because I used Fimo, I will need to bake my clay for 30 minutes at 110 degrees temperature or 230 in Fahrenheit. And don't forget to be safe because oven is hot. So here we are, all done, and I already glued my settings to my ready pieces. You can use cyanoacrylate glue, like super glue for example. So we learned today how to make swirly coils, how to extrude gradient strands with extruder, and how to combine it all together in a beautiful filigree. So I think now I'm ready for autumn, and for now this is it, and I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Bye! This video is presented by pcPolyzine and sponsored by Clay Alley. Please visit Clay Alley for clay and unique tools and supplies. And feel free to visit my own YouTube channel called My Mandarin Ducky. Visit our website pcPolyzine.com and you can find us as pcPolyzine on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest and Flickr.